2019 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, fog lights, heated front seats, CD player, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, power moonroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.